Hello, friends. Today I am here with one more important book that gives us insights about the procrastination and how to overcome that. Eat That Frog by Brian Tracy is a self help book that provides practical strategies for overcoming procrastination, increasing productivity, and achieving personal and professional goals. Here's a step by step summary of the key concepts presented in the book. 1. Introduction: The Frog Metaphor. Tracy introduces the concept of eating the frog, which represents tackling your most challenging and important task first thing in the morning. He emphasizes the importance of prioritizing tasks and taking action to achieve meaningful results. 2. Set clear goals. Tracy emphasizes the importance of setting clear, specific, and achievable goals. He introduces the concept of the 80-20 rule, which suggests that 20% of your activities will account for 80% of your results. He encourages readers to focus on high-impact tasks that align with their goals. 3. Identify your most important task. Tracy suggests identifying your most important task, the one that will have the greatest impact on your goals, and tackling it first thing in the morning. He advises against procrastination and encourages readers to take immediate action. 4. Plan your day. Tracy recommends creating a detailed plan for your day, prioritizing tasks based on their importance and urgency. He suggests using to-do lists, planners, or digital tools to organize your tasks and stay focused on your priorities. 5. Apply the ABCDE method. Tracy introduces the ABCDE method for prioritizing tasks. A. Tasks must be done today. B. Tasks should be done today but are not as important as the tasks. C. Tasks could be done today but are not as important as A or B tasks. D. Tasks can be delegated to someone else. A. Tasks can be eliminated altogether. He advises focusing on A. tasks and delegating or eliminating lower priority tasks to maximize productivity. 6. Overcome procrastination. Tracy provides strategies for overcoming procrastination, such as breaking tasks into smaller, more manageable steps, setting deadlines, and using positive reinforcement techniques. He emphasizes the importance of taking action and avoiding distractions. 7. Manage your time effectively. Tracy offers tips for managing your time more effectively, such as setting aside dedicated time blocks for focused work, minimizing interruptions, and using time management techniques like the Pomodoro technique. 8. Continuous improvement. Tracy encourages readers to continually evaluate their habits, routines, and productivity techniques to identify areas for improvement. He emphasizes the importance of learning from both successes and failures and adjusting your approach accordingly. 9. Conclusion: Take action. Tracy concludes by urging readers to take action and implement the strategies outlined in the book. He emphasizes the transformative power of consistent effort and encourages readers to commit to eating their frogs and achieving their goals. Overall, Eat That Frog offers practical advice and actionable strategies for overcoming procrastination, increasing productivity, and achieving personal and professional success. It serves as a valuable resource for anyone looking to take control of their time and achieve their goals. To know more in detail about this book, you can buy it from the following link below. Please subscribe and click on bell icon to receive the notification when I upload the new book summary. Happy reading!